In this video from Mathematical Modeling Minds, I'm going to talk about Python dictionaries. Dictionaries are key-value pairs. In a dictionary, items are separated by commas and the whole thing is enclosed in curly braces. A key is separated from its value by colon. The keys in a dictionary are unique. You cannot duplicate keys, but the values can be anything. An empty dictionary can be defined with empty curly braces. Keys and values. Look at this dictionary. Here in this dictionary we have three key value pairs. Fruit is the key, apple is the value. Color is the key, red is the value. Weight is the key, 200 is the value. If you print this dictionary, it is printed out like this. And if you want to access keys in the dictionary, you can type dictionary.keys. And if you want to access values, you can type the dictionary name dot values. And they are printed as a list. You can access the value of a known key using square brackets. For example, here I have tried to access the value of the color key using square brackets and I get the answer as red. But if you try to access something that is not available in the dictionary, then you get an error. For example, here I have tried to access the key called name, but there is no key called name in this dictionary, so I get an error. You can also update the values in a dictionary. Here I have tried to change the value of the color key from red to green. And the result is this. Adding new values. It is also possible to add new values to a dictionary. And here I have tried to add a new key value pair called price, which is equal to 10, into this dictionary. And if you print the dictionary after adding this value, you can see that extra key value pair is added at the end of this dictionary. Deleting items. You can either remove individual elements or clear the entire content of a dictionary. If you want to delete an item, then you can access that item using the key. And you can use the del method to delete that key value pair. You can see that here I have deleted the key called color with its value, and the resulting dictionary does not consist of this color red key value pair anymore. And if you want to delete the entire dictionary, you can use this command. I told you in the beginning that the keys in a dictionary are unique. But if you try to define many similar keys, the last assignment wins. Look at this dictionary. Here I have assigned the dictionary by using fruits key 2 times. If you try to access the value of the fruits key, the result is mango, which is the last assignment of this fruits key. You can either use strings, numbers, or tuples as keys in a dictionary, but are not allowed to use a list as a key. Here I have tried to use the fruit key as a list, but then I get an error. Length of a dictionary can be defined using length method. It will return the number of key-value pairs in the dictionary. And by using .items method, you will be able to get a list of key-value tuple pairs. If you want to iterate over key-value pairs, then you can use a for loop with d.items. It will print out all the keys and values in this dictionary. In order for the results to be clear, I have used a space in between with this. You can find a link to the source code below in the description. If you like the video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.